Hey everyone. Today we're talking about something important. Is coding still important to learn in 2024? Let's find out. Someone asked if it's smart to start learning to code when they're 30. They're worried because of AI, which is technology that can do smart things like humans. But don't worry, the answer might surprise you. Let's look at some numbers first. There are studies that say there will be lots of jobs for people who know how to make software. This means that learning to code is still a good idea. But what about AI? Will it take over coding jobs? Not exactly. Let's go back in time to see how coding has changed. Long ago, people had to write code in a way that only computers understood. It was really hard. But then things got easier with something called compilers. They helped people write code faster. AI is here, but it's not going to steal our jobs. Instead, it will help us do our jobs better. We can let AI do boring tasks so we can focus on the fun stuff like solving problems and making cool things. So, is learning to code still important in 2024? Yes, but it's not just about typing code. It's about understanding how things work and being creative. If you like making things with technology, learning to code is still a great idea. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool stuff about coding.